Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on this assistant menu in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. After that go to interaction and dexterity, and that's it. Just tap on assistant menu option. Now by tapping here you can enable it, and it's done. You can see it's enabled successfully. Now from here you can customize your assistant menu. At first, if I tap on select assistant menu items, from here you can add or remove any item from your assistant menu. Suppose if you want to remove the quick panel item, just tap on this minus icon. On the other hand, if you want to add screen rotation option, just tap on this plus icon, and that's it. Also, if I touch and hold it, and using this method you can change your position and then go back. From here you can change your assistant menu size. You can choose extra small, small, medium and large, and you can choose any option as you want. From here you can increase or decrease your transparency, and you can set any level as you want, and it's done. And that is how you can turn on assistant menu in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.